I know there was a lot of excitement when you were talking about your blueprint, your vision, which I'm seeing less and less being talked about. Our detractors, now that they have tasted power, are talking less and less about the promises they gave and talking more and more about how to wield power and survive in the reins of power by whatever means. Kenya is watching, Kenya is listening, the whole world is watching and is listening, and we are not going to give up. Our duty is not to attain power, but make Kenya a fairer and a just society for the prosperity of all, in accordance with the vision of our forefathers and those who shed blood for this country called Kenya.